This interview's not for the casting couch. Oh. So, the Nissan S chassis. This one that we've got here is an S13, and it's a USDM model, so it's left-hand drive. Originally came with the K8 motor. This one was a single cam from the factory, and it's been upgraded with all the hot boy parts. It's got zero Ackerman front knuckles, dual caliper rear knuckles with a hydraulic handbrake, Blacktop SR20 from a 180SX. Pretty much anything you'd ever want in this car. Full standalone, aftermarket wiring harness. It's got a Tomei arms turbo, Tomei manifold, Tomei downpipe. It's pretty much as ready to go for a drift car as you really want for the sub 400 horsepower range. There's really like no details that have been left out of this one. It's all set up, it's ready to go as far as fast as you feel comfortable sliding. Topher told me I had to pick a color that matched my personality, so I went with the most flamboyant thing I could find. We were walking by a Tiffany store and I was like, ba-bling! I was sold. So there's some backstory to this one. Topher was told he has to marry this girl within 2 years or something, so you know, I was trying to help him out. I was like, I know a guy, and we go by the Tiffany store, and you know, I was trying to help him make that commitment that, you know, 2 years, it's like, I don't know, what's he gonna do tomorrow? We got a color out of it at least, so that's a win. I think we're all single now.